Dude, I'm trying to clean the tanks. Stay back. Stay back. Why are you backing up? Does it feel good? Does the water feel good? You're silly. I can't scrub the tank with your big booty in the way. Well, don't get mad at her. You're the one that keeps backing into the water. Goober. Millie, you don't want to get sprayed? Okay. It is so stinking hot. I'm so ready for fall. And if I complain about the cold weather this winter, y'all just remind me of this. The pigs are in the little barn there eating their breakfast. I don't know what they're going to think about their mud hole when they get out here, but it's been taken over. I don't know. They may have to dig a new one. These guys aren't interested in moving anytime soon. Out here, refreshing water tanks. Look at these guys. They are so muddy. They can't stay out of the mud hole that the pigs dug. You guys are mud birds. What are you doing? I did not know you guys like mud. Mimu, you're not getting fresh with Jim there, are ya? Nah, it's innocent, right? Y'all are just laying in the same mud hole. Keep it clean, dude. Keep it clean. And let's not even think about the age difference here. Maybe it's Pam. I don't know. I really don't know at this point. Anybody else just want to stand outside and spray their emus with the hose? This is so satisfying. Just spraying them. Could just stand here all day. They love this mud hole. They have this pool that I rarely see them in. But you let the water run a little bit and this mud hole fills up, it's game on. They're in it. I mean, look how deep it is. I'm thinking that's Jim. I'm thinking it is. I'm thinking Pam is just too dignified to get clear in the hole. So she's over here on the beach. Y'all, I really got to get something done, but I want to just keep doing this. This area was muddy earlier, but we've just kind of flooded it. And they're loving it. I don't know what the pigs are going to do when they come out here, when they're finished eating and they see all this. Oh, I really need to stop. Go work on their water tank. Okay, guys, no more water. I don't know why I bothered even putting makeup on. Actually, it's tinted sunscreen. But then when I do that, I feel like maybe I ought to just put some mascara on. Then that leads to blush. And then I'm like, why did I even do this? Because it is so hot out. And I am sweating.
It's still hot out here.
Oh, gosh. Hi. It is so hot.
What are you even doing?
I
You
gave
know
up.
we have a pool, right?
Well, yeah. But I don't have any friends to hang out at the pool with me. You're always working.
Oh my, Penny, pig.
Olivia's sharing with me.
That's horrible.
Oh, it was so hot. I just had to get in and get cooled off. I've been scrubbing these tanks. I'm waiting for the camel tank to fill up.
Really?
Whew.
Pam, can I help you? You have a feather in your mouth.
They were helping me earlier. They actually were in the water for a long time playing.
Whew, it's too hot out here for me. I'm going in. Thought I'd check and see how you're doing.
Olivia, we got caught. We got caught hanging out in the pool. What do you think, big girl? It's going to be a scorcher today again. Hopefully soon, this next weekend, we're going to get a break. And maybe be done with the 100-degree temperatures. Penny, what do you think? I'll be glad for it. What do you girls think? Can you manage in your turtle pool to stay cool today? I probably better add some more water because it was full and sparkling clean. And now I think we've lost some water, Olivia. Ow, you're on my foot, girl. Okay, I better get my shoes back on and get some more fresh water going. Sometimes you just got to sit with the pigs. Just does my soul good.